She's buried. Look at all that pio. Day 39, another beauty day out here. Austin, you think we're good to go?
We're good, should be good to go. Yeah.
Well, the sun is shining right now. We're gonna go up today. Looks like it might be a little foggy up there, but I know it's gonna be a good day either way. Get to the chopper! Oh, it's deep. Were you hiding over there?
I was hiding. I was gonna say anything, dig myself out. Guess
No.
that's one stuck, first stuck of the day.
Well, it's deeper than yesterday. Oh my god. Yeah, radio, I get it.
Everybody's stuck. Leave them. Let them dig.
I'm not really sure what Austin's doing today. He spent more time upside down than right side up. It's cold on the face. You hit the tree because your scratches were down?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one was down. Clearly sucked him into that tree.
Big drag. Big drag. 2. 1, 2, 3.
I really thought I had enough momentum here, but I did not. I think I might actually have to break out the shovel for this one. Well, I just went and checked and the guys are slowly working their way up through these trees here. We'll see who's the first one up. Does sound pretty quiet right now though, so. Well, the Pouleries could not keep up to the dew track.
I even tried poking your traps.
Finally, you're still lower than me. I've been on you for here like 10 minutes.
Oh yeah. It looks like you fell off your sled in the trees there.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, I guess we're not getting sun today. Looked pretty nice this morning, but that's all right. More snow is never a bad thing. I don't think we have enough. No shit. Chase is pretty much stuck on flat ground here. Just the Polaris is sawing.
Doing poo things, man.
30. Will was coming up through here, carried his speed through the tree, but not quite out the other side.
Kinda got hung up by the branches there.
Oh yeah? Well, those are some pretty thick branches. I bet they would hold you up a bit.
Make a track for that who will get in there.
Or you want it this way?
Austin is determined to get to dirt here. He wants to take a sample home to his mom.
I want to show my dad that trail riding in 4 inches just is not the same.
What do you guys think?
It's a lot of work.
We're gonna get there.
Doing a little test on the snowpack here. There's 1.20 meters over the crust. It's not a lot.
We're probably in snow from last year.
Yeah, I can see it there. There it goes. How deep's that on top? About 1 meter?
About 1 meter. Another broken nose.
Yeah.
I'll start, dude. I feel bad.
Well, these guys are on a mission to get to dirt. I think we're at about 3.5 meters. No, there's no dirt here. Snow all the way to China. Well, it was Austin's idea to dig this. Somehow I ended up here. What's going on up there?
I'll come down there and I'll stand on his shoulder.
I'm gonna make a shelf.
Then we're gonna dip. You wear your gloves. In case I fall on it.
Someone's gotta hold me. This is fun.
Yeah, someone come over here.
Give me a hand.
Hold him.
Everybody just wants you want me to hold your hand?
Hold him. Okay, hurry up.
This is like circus, for Christ's sake.
Pictures?
Yeah.
Hurry up.
Yeah.
Lean back.
1 sec.
Lean back.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Take a picture. Okay, hop off.
I'm not sure what's going on.
Hop off.
I tried to not.
There you go, Matt. Good.
Lots of stucks today.
I'm not stuck.
Not stuck. Poor cameraman there, but deep to really get anywhere today. It's pretty awesome. Like, that's not very steep, but that's as high as we can make it. Nice. Another solid day, 79K, 62 I think on the GPS. Pretty much snowed up there all day. It's deep.
I wasn't stuck all day. I have to keep taking turns at that hole.
23 liters for Austin. Let's see how much this thing takes. So 22 for Austin, 36 for me. I don't like riding hard, it's more expensive. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Appreciate a like, share, subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow. The big 40, day 40.